Imagine whipping up a full family dinner. Crispy chicken wings, roasted veggies, fluffy rice, and a warm dessert, all in one compact appliance that saves counter space and time. This Ninja Air Fryer, 8-quart DoubleStack 2-basket, SL201, is not just an air fryer. It's a culinary revolution designed for modern kitchens. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a small space dweller, this air fryer promises to transform how you cook. Let's dive into why this sleek, versatile machine is stealing the spotlight and why it deserves a spot in your kitchen. Why the Ninja DoubleStack stands out. Air fryers have become kitchen staples, but the Ninja DoubleStack 2-basket air fryer takes innovation to new heights. Its unique stack design and cutting-edge features make it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify cooking without sacrificing flavor. Here's what makes it exceptional. Space-saving genius. With a 40% slimmer profile than traditional dual-basket air fryers, this 8-quart marvel fits snugly under standard cabinets, perfect for compact kitchens. Cook 4 foods at once. Thanks to Ninja's exclusive DoubleStack Air Frying Technology, you can prepare up to 4 different dishes simultaneously across 2 4-quart baskets, each with dual cooking levels. Versatile 6-in-1 functionality, air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate, all in one appliance. From crispy fries to dehydrated fruit snacks, it does it all. Healthier cooking. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods, making guilt-free meals a reality. Effortless cleanup. Non-stick baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. This air fryer isn't just about convenience, it's about empowering you to create restaurant-quality meals at home, faster and easier than ever. Cooking for a crowd. Made simple. With an 8-quart capacity that feeds up to 6 people, this air fryer is a lifesaver for family gatherings. I prepared a feast of 2 pounds of chicken wings, roasted zucchini, garlic bread, and baked brownies, all at once. The Smart Finish feature synchronized cooking times, so everything hit the table hot and ready. No more juggling multiple appliances or waiting for one dish to finish before starting another. Crispy perfection. Every time. The DoubleStack Air Frying Technology delivers superheated air that surrounds food for an all-around crisp. My wings were golden and crunchy outside, juicy inside, without a drop of excess oil. Even roasted vegetables had that perfect caramelized edge, rivaling oven-cooked results. Time-saving magic. The Ninja DoubleStack cooks up to 2 meals faster than other air fryers I've tested. A full dinner for 4, salmon fillets, sweet potato fries, and asparagus was ready in under 20 minutes. The Match Cook feature copied settings across baskets for larger batches, making meal prep for the week a breeze. Small footprint, big impact. Living in a cozy apartment, counter space is precious. The Ninja's stack design is a revelation, taking up half the space of my old dual basket fryer. It slides easily under cabinets when not in use, keeping my kitchen clutter-free. Who is this air fryer for? The Ninja DoubleStack. Air fryer is perfect for busy families. Feed up to 6 people with minimal effort, ideal for weeknight dinners or weekend gatherings. Small space dwellers. Its slim, vertical design maximizes counter space in apartments or compact kitchens. Health-conscious cooks. Enjoy fried favorites with less fat, plus versatile cooking modes for wholesome meals. Meal prep enthusiasts. Cook large batches or multiple dishes at once to streamline your week. If you love hosting but dread the cleanup, or you're tired of appliances hogging your counter, this air fryer is your new best friend. A few things to consider. No product is perfect, and the Ninja DoubleStack has minor quirks. Some users report slight uneven cooking, especially with foods near the back of the baskets, but a quick shake or rotation during cooking solves this. The vertical design means you can't cook larger items like whole chickens, so if that's a priority, consider a wider model like the Ninja Foodie Flex Basket. Lastly, the price is higher than some dual basket fryers, but the space-saving design and advanced features justify the investment for most. Why you should buy the Ninja DoubleStack Air Fryer. This air fryer isn't just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It saves time, reduces cleanup, and delivers delicious, healthier meals with ease. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, roasting tender veggies, or baking a quick dessert, the Ninja DoubleStack 2-basket air fryer makes cooking fun, fast, and stress-free. Its compact design and powerful performance make it a top choice for 2025's best kitchen gadgets. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.